I like it. Super duper like it.
Love is love. Love is love. Yo.
Nano kabalin, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie. Welcome to Wherein Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our Wherein Pampanga community. For today's vlog, it's gonna be a Japanese delight brought to us by Taberu Pampanga. Check out our food on our table, guys. Grabe, we would like to thank them for being generous to us. If you've been follow me, kapag po Japanese food, yan, medyo special po sa akin ng mga dishes na yan because they really delight me. So, let me introduce the dishes to you one by one. So, I would like to start introducing you the dishes that they sent by, preparing our dip. We have our, Japanese soy sauce. Squeeze ako ng isang kalamansi. Now, I'm dropping this wasabi. So, first off, let me introduce itong Taberu Pampanga mackerel. You have your crab stick, cream cheese, cucumber, and masago. Wow. Well, another aspect na nagugustuhan ko sa mga Japanese food, they have to be prepared with a lot of effort, meaning nandun yung dedication ng chef, nandun yung creativity, the way you mix and match colors, at the same time flavors. That's a lot of work and that's a lot of hard work, guys. So next, I wanna introduce to you guys itong TLGS mackerel. So what do we have? So meron tayong shrimp tempura, you have your cream cheese, your tempura rack, and you have your spicy mayo on top. Okay, so let's get one. Taste it. Oh, wow. Sarap ng tempura and the cream cheese. Grabe, it is so delicious. So yummy actually, no? I wanna move on introducing you guys another dish that they sent is itong California mackerel. Of course, this is one of the most popular maki that we know in the market, no?
Love is love. Love is love. Yo.
Wow. It almost, makes me want to try. Sobrang sarap po ng mga Japanese dishes that Taberu is offering. So moving on, I believe this is their spicy beef mackerel. Oh wow. If I can compare it to Korean food, para siyang beef bulgogi. Almost, similar taste. It is spicy, check, which is I really like. Another dish na very evident dito sa table natin is of course the tempura. Who doesn't like tempura, right? So you have your shrimp tempura. We also have mix of vegetable here. I'm gonna have the onion, Tempura sauce is actually a little bit sweet, so I like it. I like it actually. Oh, wow. Let's try the shrimp. Grabe, I like the sauce. The shrimp are so fresh. Grabe, I have to move on and I really want to introduce to you guys. This is one of my pinaka-favorite na Japanese dish is yung sashimi. So this is a salmon sashimi. So thickly sliced. Wow, I can sit all day kapag ganito yung nakaserve sa table ko. I can finish more than a kilo of salmon or a tuna sashimi. I'm gonna have another one. I just can't get enough. Wow, I like it. Super duper like it. So another dish they brought us is yung kanilang kani salad. You have your usual ingredients like the mango, you have your carrots, cucumber, you have crab sticks, you also have your lettuce, and then on top, grabe, it has a mango sauce.
Love is love. Yo. Love is love. Yo.
So fresh, so tasty. I love the mango sauce. Yan, so if you know these guys, you also have baked sushis. Sa mga baked sushi nila, this is actually good for 2 to 3 persons. You have 2 flavors, First one is the California baked sushi, and then the other one is the salmon baked sushi. Alright, this is really huge, guys. Grabe, I did not expect how cheesy yung pinak-surface ng sushi pan natin. Super duper generous ng mga cheese. This California baked sushi is just 249 pesos, while this one, the salmon, is 299 pesos. Super cheap, super affordable, no? Halimbawa, magtatanong kayo kung ano yung una yung orderin. If the California or the salmon, I'll go for the salmon, guys. Go for the salmon. Now, we have another dish here. Ito yung mga onigiri meals nila. So, they have flavor of spam egg. Meron din tayong tuna mayo. And then the last is the pork kimchi. So, let's talk about their menu. So, meron po silang sushi party in a platter, no? It's just 349 pesos. What do you get? You get 30 pieces of assorted maki roll and nigiri. Now, meron din tayong assorted sushi and tempura. So, meron tayong small and large. So, the small one is 399 pesos while the other one is 499 pesos. What do you get? You get maki roll, nigiri, shrimp, vegetable. Yung pong large nila has 30 pieces of maki roll. So, meron din po pala silang loyalty card. So for every 300 pesos you purchase, you get one stamp. And on the 8th, you get a personalized mask. Wow, grabe! This is so much. And again, we would like to thank Taberu Pampanga for sending us and being generous to us. I'm gonna share this with my family. Again, if you are to ask me, from the menu that they sent, my top one, of course, I'll go for the sashimi. And the next is kanilang Taberu Pampanga maki roll. I'm also gonna go for this one. This is really fresh, less guilt for those who are, weight maintenance. So there you have it, guys. If you like this video or if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Let's share some love with Taberu Pampanga for sending us and being generous to us, guys. Go to their page, give them a like as well. So please stay at home, stay safe. God bless us all. I hope to see you on the next video because I'm gonna be there. Peace out. Bye.
Love is love.